Hello, and finally welcome to Ghaf Woods. I'm really excited to be able to show you around the show apartment here. Firstly, let's stop there and just check the biometric lock which comes with the apartments. Perfect for any kids, don't need a key. You just tap the code and get in, and also great for short-term holiday lets. It also comes with a little camera. So come on in. Now, I have been talking about Ghaf Woods ever since it first launched a couple of months ago, mostly because I have a lot of investors as clients that want something off-plan that still makes sense in the UAE. Now, before I go on a big rant again about price per square foot, I just want to show you the quality of this particular apartment, which is a 2-bedroom plus maids. So we have the upgraded package, which is an additional fee when you're purchasing this apartment, but what you get is quite special. You have all of the gas, tri-burner gas Bosch hobs with oven integration. You have these amazing cooker taps, which has a full water filtration system underneath, which filters the water, and then the tap itself can give you sparkling, ice cold drinking water, and then obviously boiling water, all from this tap. They're really, really smart, and they're actually very expensive. They're around $6,000. All of the integrated appliances, so fridge, which is Elba, dishwasher, everything that you can expect with a modern kitchen. But I love this green color also. It really does complement the whole community feeling here at Ghaf Woods. So follow me. I'll also show you how nice the living space is. I mean, the flooring here is obviously included with the upgraded package. If you don't take that package, you will just have porcelain tiles, which are similar to what we've just seen in the kitchen. You also get this really nice and smart divider, which I think is quite a nice feature, helping close off the kitchen if you have guests or if you're entertaining. Really, really nice. All of the soft furnishings that you see do not come with this apartment. However, anything that you see, for example, this wooden cladding here and the television set up with the inbuilt shelving, that all comes included as part of the upgrade package. So all of the features on the smart home system means that you can close the curtains and the blinds autonomously in all of the bedrooms and in the living spaces. And as we step outside onto your private balcony, you can really get a sense of the nature which is surrounding you here. So this community, as I've mentioned previously, is geared towards end users, okay? Come back inside because it's quite hot. The whole point of this community is for people to enjoy themselves and be surrounded by nature. This is a fully pedestrianised community on that top level. All of the cars are parked underneath, and then you have expansive spaces within the woodland for you to enjoy with your family. Attention to detail is everything in apartments, and all of the sanitary ware is actually designed by Bagno Design. You've also even got the halo light mirrors in all of the en-suites, which is fantastic for the ladies doing the makeup. The smart home system and the Chrome smart toilets come on the upgraded package only, and then you have a full remote control for that system. Very, very cool and very Japanese. And as well, they're all made by Schneider. So what I really, really appreciate as well is what they've thought about for the maid's room. It's extremely spacious. You have a laundry stack system with storage, but an attached ensuite room off the maid's room is really, really, really important. And not many apartments actually have that much space nowadays. But check it out for yourself, what you can see. It's a really high quality finish. All of the finishes in the maid's room are exactly the same as what's available in the other en-suites. I'm gonna now quickly show you the guest bedroom. So if you have a look inside here, you get all of these built-in wardrobes, which are of high spec, and then they have this brushed copper effect of the handles on these wardrobes, which actually are consistent throughout this apartment. You can see it actually, this brushed copper effect on the handles for all of the doors. And then all of the en-suites are very, very similar as well. You've got a dual shower head, capable for either, obviously, the drop shower. You've got that, and all of the light wood finishes are consistent. So all of the doors, all of the door frames are consistent throughout this apartment. Again, complementing the nature which is just on your doorstep. I'm going to now show you the size and the space for the master bedroom. So if you'd like to follow me. The amount of storage that you get for an apartment is huge. You get a full walk-in wardrobe. You get a his and hers sink in the master or the master ensuite, and then you have a large shower, which I personally love the tiles in. This effect. Why I like the tiles is because they're the full width. Okay, so they're nice and wide. Why is that important? I'm quite particular with showers, but the least amount of joinery in the tiles means the least amount of grout, which is then prone to long-term issues like mold buildup, as you're probably aware. So, very well thought out ensuite area. And then if you come through into the main bedroom, again, you can see how high the ceilings are and letting all of that light in from these huge windows. So, investment case study makes absolute sense at the moment, not leaving any investors overly exposed. This is going to be extremely appealing for long-term tenants. 3, 4, 5 years, they'll stay here and make it their home. Or for an investor looking to, when it hands over and you get the key, you'll be then selling that apartment on to a mortgage buyer. So, this is Ghaf Woods. I've been talking about it for months now. You can now hopefully see why, with the quality and the finish that Majid Al Futtaim has performed here. Again, if you like what you see, if you like my approach into property and how I'm thinking, please get in touch in the details below. Thanks very much.